Hi there, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to learn all about the present simple tense in English. It's one of the most important tenses because we use it all the time to talk about habits, facts, and routines. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how and when to use it, plus some common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. 2. What is the present simple? 1 o'clock to 2:30, host. The present simple tense is used to describe actions that happen regularly or facts that are always true. It's simple because the verb stays in its base form, except for certain cases, which I'll explain later. Examples. 1. I eat breakfast every morning. 2. She speaks English very well. 3. The sun rises in the east. Host. See? We're talking about things that happen regularly or facts that don't change. 3. When do we use the present simple? 2:30 to 6 o'clock, host. Now, let's talk about the three main times we use the present simple tense. 1. To talk about habits or routines. 1. I go to the gym twice a week. 2. He drinks coffee every morning. Host. We often use words like always, often, sometimes, or never to show how frequently something happens. 2. To describe facts or general truths. 1. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 2. Cats sleep a lot during the day. 3. To express fixed schedules or timetables. 1. The train leaves at 8:30 a.m. 2. My class starts at 9 a.m. Host. These are situations where the action is fixed or planned, even if it's in the future. 4. How to form the present simple, 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, host. Now that we know when to use the present simple, let's learn how to form it. The basic rule is simple. Use the base form of the verb for most subjects, but add an s or s for third-person singular subjects, positive sentences. 1. I play football. 2. You play football. 3. He, she, it plays football. Host. Notice how we add s to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Negative sentences. 1. I do not like pizza. 2. She does not like pizza. Host. For negatives, we use do not or does not with the base form of the verb. Questions. 1. Do you like pizza? 2. Does she like pizza? Host. In questions, we use do or does at the beginning, followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. 5. Common mistakes, 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, host. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make with the present simple. Mistake 1. Forgetting the s for third-person singular. 1. Wrong. He walked to school. 2. Correct. He walks to school. Mistake 2. Adding s to the verb in negatives or questions. 1. Wrong. She doesn't like ice cream. 2. Correct. She doesn't like ice cream. Mistake 3. Using the present simple for actions happening now. 1. Wrong. I watch TV now. Host. Remember, the present simple is for regular actions or facts, not for what's happening right now. For that, we use the present continuous. 6. Practice time. 12 o'clock to 1500, host. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you decide if it's correct or incorrect. Example 1. He go to school every day. Pause for viewers to think. Incorrect. It should be. He goes to school every day. Example 2. They don't like spicy food. Pause for viewers to think. Correct. Example 3. Does she speaks English? Pause for viewers to think. Incorrect. It should be. Does she speak English? 7. Summary and closing, 1500 to 1600, host. Great job today. Let's quickly review what we've learned. The present simple is used for habits, facts, and schedules. For most subjects, use the base form of the verb, but add s or s for third-person singular. Don't forget to practice making positive, negative, and question forms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.